On the pitch, you scored one goal, created some chances, but not that much. What do you have to say about the game?
Well, you know, we must realise that many of the players have played tough games at the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. The majority of the players played. Then they travelled yesterday, and we trained yesterday, and we trained this morning. So they've had a lot to do. Conditions are a lot different from the Faroe Islands in playing on this grass pitch, which is a little bit bumpy. We created a lot of good crossing opportunities and didn't get the right ball into the box. The build-up was nice and neat. But I think I'd look at the positive things. We gave away very few chances, and we saw most of the players playing, and there was a bit of pattern in our play, and we gave several young players the opportunity to show what they could do, and some of the more experienced players have been playing well in the Faroe Islands. So, you know, I'm not disappointed. I'm happy we got out, we had the game, and that everybody has played for at least 40 minutes, but not too many have played for more than 40 minutes.
No, but I think it was 4 guys that did play all the game. Jonas, Jan Inche, Johan and Gunnar. Why those 4? Well,
if you work it out, NSI played on Friday night. So the 3 of them have played on Friday, and Gunnar obviously in the goal. It's easier in the goal, and while I would have liked to get Hans Jorgensen on the pitch, Gunnar has had very little football this season, and he's now had a 3-week break for Manchester City, so he needed some action. So that's the logic of that. If unfortunately Jakob Borg had a little injury before the game, and we couldn't play Jakob. Atli Danielsson had to train with his club. Frey Benjaminson hasn't arrived yet. Tura Thompson hasn't arrived yet. So we were short a few players. I would have liked them to have 2 complete teams to change at half time, change a complete team. But I'm happy enough it was. I think Yang Ingi was well able for it. Johan was comfortable at the back. So you know, it's a little bit awkward in the situation, but I think practical overall.
What's up for the Faroese team now?
Well, we travel early in the morning tomorrow. We have a flight to Luxembourg. We will train tomorrow. We will train on Thursday, and we play on Friday. So, you know, this is all preparation towards Estonia. Estonia have had 2 very big friendly games last week. I saw them against. Who did I see them against? They played Finland and they beat Finland 2-0, and I saw them in the game on Wednesday last week, and they drew 0-0 with Croatia, which was a very good result for them. They're a strong team. They have 2 more games to play. They have Lithuania and Latvia this week also, so they've had many games. Very, very experienced team. So what we're doing now is a little bit of not as much preparation as we should have, but at least it's some preparation towards Estonia. A chance for me to see the players again and have to make some decisions about whether players have the mental strength and the physical ability to play when it comes to the competitive championship games.
Kerr, thank you very much and good luck on Friday.
Thank you. Thanks, my pleasure.